In finance, occasionally you come across a situation where your income or a revenue is infinite time period. I mean, normally when we are calculating the time value of money, we are saying that it is for a fixed time period or a specific time period. But there may be a situations where you get a revenue for an infinite time period. For example, if you invest in a stock and you want to hold the stock for a lifetime, the going concern concept of a company says that the life of a company is infinite, and assuming that this company is a profit making and pays you a dividend, so every year you receive a dividend throughout your life or for an infinite time period. Similarly, suppose if you hold a piece of a land and which you give it for a lease, unless you sell your land, you will get a revenue from that land which is a perpetual or infinite. And royalties paid on the copyrights or on a mines, these are all are examples of infinite payments. We call those as perpetuity or a perpetual amounts. Now in this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate the present value of a perpetuity. That means the amounts that you are receiving for indefinite time period in future. Here is an example for a perpetuity. Assuming that you hold a piece of a land which you give it on a lease, and every year you receive rupees 10,000 on this land, and your appropriate discount rate or your cost of capital, or you can say your required rate on this is 8%, that means 0.08. Then what is the value of this perpetuity? In the sense, how much amount, what is the present value of this perpetuity? To get this, so get the present value of a perpetuity, you need to simply divide the perpetual amount by the discount rate. That is equals to the perpetual amount is your 10,000 rupees upon your discount rate, that is 0.08, and press the enter key. So the present value of this flow of income is 125,000. Now what if your discount rate is 16% instead of 8%? In this case, simply replace this 18% with 0.16, that is a 16%. Then it is 62,500. The present value is 62,500. Now the higher the discount rate, the lower will be the present value of your perpetuity, and the lower the discount rate, higher will be the present value of a perpetuity. This is how you can calculate the present value of perpetuity. Thank you.